Hello everyone, today I'm very excited to share with you a very powerful method for scraping products that are from the Kijiji.ca website, and it's free of cost. So to begin that, let's head over to the Apify.com website and then Apify store. Here we have to search the scraper, that is Kijiji.ca scraper. Make sure to select the one that is created by Fahad. Click on it. And here next we have to click on the try for free, and this will redirect us to the sign up page. So here we have two options, like we can sign up with Google or GitHub, or we can use our email to sign up. So let me sign up with Google. I'm pausing this video so that I can sign up and show you how we can run this. So once we sign up, we will see this page where we can start the crawler. So here we have to pass the start URL like the URL of the product listing which we want to scrap. So for that, let's go to the Kijiji.ca site and let's suppose we want to extract laptops. So there is 15,000 plus records. So let's grab this URL and paste it here. One thing more, it's recommended to use the proxy so that we don't get blocked. So I'm using the Canada proxy. And now start the crawler. Run nectar. Save and start. So it's running our crawler. So the crawler is in running state, and we also getting the data, and we can export it. Let's say we want the JSON file, and we can view in new tab. So here is what we are extracting: the PID, the URL of the product, the title, price, category, description. So this product don't have the price, so that's why it's empty. But here you can see we have the price against this product. So, and we also extracting the description, address, member since like when they joined the platform, seller name, and image URLs as well.